Hi everyone and welcome to Chill and Trade TV. And if you're new to this channel, please don't forget to like, subscribe and click on that notification bell. But if you're back here again, welcome back. So in this week's video for the coming week, we'll be looking at NAS 100 and German 30 as well. I'm just gonna do a top-down analysis on German 30 and just to show you what I see on that pair and looking for trading opportunities as well from that index. And also if you want to trade with a regulated FSC broker, ladies and gentlemen, just click on the link in the description down below. And also if you want to find out exactly what is a regulated FSC broker, is the broker that you're trading with FSCA regulated. I did do a video in the channel just to help you guys choose a broker, so you can just go back and look at that video. So let's take a look at NAS 100, ladies and gentlemen. Just want to get rid of the previous analysis first. Let me just do this. Mm, I hope you guys who trade NFP went as expected, and if not, don't worry. Next week is still another trading week. As long as you manage to minimize your losses, and yeah, we're good to go. We're good to go. So Nas, let me go on the 4 hour time frame and just explain from that. So Nas, we were looking for this pushes to the upside, this pushes to the upside, and they have been playing out. However, since this price action here, prices has been moving a bit choppy. It's no more aggressive as it was previously. So it does look like there is a pattern here. It does look like there is a reversal pattern playing out here. Let me just try and identify it. Let me go from that low to this low, and maybe okay, no, you know what? Let me start from this low to cater for the most recent touches. For the most recent touches. Let me do that. Do this just like this. Okay, now this makes sense. Let me just get rid of that. So this is an ascending pattern, which is a reversal pattern once it completes. And this pattern usually completes at the third touch before it reverses. So, so we have this first touch, second touch. Now we are anticipating this third touch. We're anticipating a third touch. We are anticipating a third touch right there. So which means we are looking for buying opportunities all the way until this high, that high for now. And once price gets there, we'll be looking for sells until this until the start of the pattern, which is going to be there, which is going to be there, which is going to be there, which is going to be there. But for now, let's just focus on this push to the upside. Let me just focus. Let's just focus on that push to the upside. Let me just get rid of this. So we have our sort of long-term direction planned out. Let me just remove that. Okay. So now let's just focus on what's going to happen here because we are looking for this push to the upside. No? Let me go to the 1 hour time frame because that's where we usually take our entries here. Let me just adjust this a bit like that. That. Okay, no, it's fine. Let me just leave it. So, as you do see, price gave us a strong push to the upside, and currently I am anticipating price to give me something like this continuation pattern, and then enter at the breakout. Can enter at the breakout. You can also just add more entries and then have your first take profit there. Have your first take profit there, and then your other take profit will be by the third touch, wherever it might be, wherever it might be. So this would be your TP1 and TP2. And if price does continue to give you, let me just remove this, price goes up, continues to give you these patterns, you just enter. You just enter, ladies and gentlemen, until it completes. Until it completes. And we will revisit Nasdaq once it has completed our moves to the upside. Well, this move that we are looking for. So our focus is just buys, 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 all the way until the touch, all the way until the third touch, ladies and gentlemen. I hope you guys see what I see and got the picture. Now let's go to German 30. Just want to do a top-down analysis on this. So let's go down to the daily time frame. Start from the daily all the way until the 1 hour. So German 30 has just been majority the bias, well, rather, is just to the upside. The bias has been to the upside, higher highs and higher lows, higher highs and higher lows, just higher highs, higher lows. Push up, correction, push up, correction, push up, correction. It's been pushing up. So this is an uptrend. It's moving up. Let me see. Just push from this low there, this low there. See, basically, if I don't know if you guys notice, but this move here and this move here are the same. It's just that this one is more bigger. The first one is just bigger. See now when they say the market does repeat itself, the market does repeat itself. So let me just get rid of those. and we can dissect this pair properly. So let me just do this. Don't wanna do too much on this pair. Just gonna focus actually from here, because now we get the idea that it has been pushing up. Let's go to the 4-hour time frame. Let's go to the 4-hour time frame. Our focus is just gonna be from this low all the way until this current high, all the way until this current high, like this. I'm not gonna do too much hectic analysis on this pair because it's pretty straightforward. Pretty straightforward. Pretty straightforward. Let me see. We have this continuation pattern, and it's been pushing up, been pushing up. You do see more continuations to the upside. I'm not going to identify all of them. I'm just going to identify a few just so you know that okay, price has been going to the upside. And now let's focus on the current market movement, which is here, which is here. So if you join that high and this high and this lows, so this is something we are familiar with, ladies and gentlemen. This is something we are familiar with. It's another continuation pattern. So let's go down to the 1-hour time frame. Let's do that. Make sure that. So as you can see, price pushed down, corrected, pushed down. Now it's probably gonna correct until this high, because gonna repeat the same thing. Impulse, and then corrective, impulse down, corrective. Then from here we are anticipating another aggressive push to the downside, just like this, just like this. If you know the nature's theory, you can see it's playing out here. It's playing out here perfectly and nicely. The nature's theory is playing out there. It's playing out there. It's playing out there. So once price, let me see, is this also see previous support, now it's gonna be resistance. So just gonna wait for price to get there, and then anywhere here, look for sells, 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 because this is also a descending pattern. This is a descending pattern. The one we saw on Nasdaq is an ascending pattern. So once price gets here, we'll be anticipating this is the first touch, second touch, and then the third touch. Then you can look for buys all the way until the start of the pattern, which is at this high, the higher high, which is at this higher high. Let me just see, will this third touch be at a zone or not? I do see something here. Yeah, could say this. Okay, let me see. Mm, Depending on where it touches, or rather this one, or rather this one here, these ones here. As you can see, price has been playing out here, then give a rejection, push to the upside. Okay, okay. Yes, you could use this like this so that you have more than enough confidence here. So that's it for German 30 and Nasdaq, ladies and gentlemen. This is what I am anticipating and looking forward to. This is my setup for next week, actually. So I hope you guys enjoyed this analysis. See how I went about analyzing the pairs. Simple analysis, nothing hectic. And until the next video, this is Chill and Trade TV. Have yourselves a profitable trading week next week. Until the next video, peace.